Hey guys, this is Dan from IK Multimedia. I'm here at the Summer NAMM 2019 in Nashville, and I wanted to show you our new AXIO. The AXIO is a premium 2-channel audio interface with some really great features for the guitar player in particular. So overall, it's a 2-in, 4-out interface with 24-bit, 192 kilohertz sample rate. It's got really nice signal-to-noise ratio, nice wide extended frequency response. But some of the really unique features for the guitar player are here on the front. So you have 2 guitar inputs. You have a control here for active and passive pickups. That's really great if you're a guitar player, like if you're a metal guitar player who uses active pickups. That's a much hotter signal than a passive pickup. So you can adjust this right here to make sure you're getting a clean, transparent sound. There's a pure circuit or a JFET circuit, which is going to give you a little bit more of a tube sound. And this is really neat. This is called the Z-tone control. This is actually an impedance adapter. So you have variable impedance, which is going to help you shape the tone of your guitar by interacting with the pickups in a different way. It's a great way to either recreate the feel of plugging into your favorite amp or to just get a wider range of tones from a single instrument. The last thing on the front that I think is really cool and very unique is this has a dedicated high Z amp output. What that means is you can plug your guitar in here, send the signal back out through the amp output in real time, and connect it to your rig. That means when you're recording, you can record both an unprocessed signal and your actual guitar amps or pedals at the same time. And that's really useful if you ever want to go back and make changes to your guitar tone to fit better into a mix. That means you don't have to re-record it over. You've got that clean signal. You just feed it back through the amplifier and play around with settings or mic placement or anything like that. It's a great way to learn how to mic a guitar cabinet, to just record a loop here and then experiment with how those mic placements are going to change it. Anyway, this is available now with an MSRP of $349.99. It also comes packed with our Amplitude software as well as a bunch of T-Rox plugins. So it's a really great solution for the recording guitar player regardless of what style you are.